I've got the Roku Smart Bulb SE. This is the A19 white. It's a 4-pack. These bulbs are around 800 lumens and they're the 60 watt equivalent, which is different than their colored versions. So over here, what's in the box, of course, you get the bulbs, you get the smart home Roku app, as well as you need a Wi-Fi connection. Now, this is the cost of using this, where it's going to be the yearly estimated cost based around 3 hours a day at 11 cents per kilowatt hour is $1.14. Based on that idea of 3 hours per day, for your lifespan should be around 22.8 years, and the energy used is 9.5 watts. This is the range from warm to cool. And of course, this is the app. It's available on your app store from iPhone and Google. The general features, so you've got a bright natural light, as well as a sunlight match mode. And there's the adjustable white temperature. It's dimmable, and you can create schedules. There's vacation mode, multi-bulb, sync, and no hub is required. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here's our quick start guide and the 4 bulbs themselves. All right, looks just like the colored bulb. The box says it's dimmable, but it says also do not use with a dimmer switch. So what it really means is it's dimmable within the Roku Smart Home app. So very simply, we're gonna just screw it in. And just like that, it's flashing various colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the Roku Smart Home app. And in the Roku Smart Home app, we're gonna go ahead and click on the plus, add a device, where we've got lights and power. We're gonna do the smart bulb white. Screw in your bulbs, okay. Turn on your Bluetooth. And then we're gonna connect to the Wi-Fi network. And it looks like our light bulb has been found. So now it's connecting. And we're going to name it Roku Bulb 1. So, just like that, it's now solid. We should have an update. So let's go ahead and update the bulb. Now that we've got the bulb updated, let's click on it. And you can see that these are our options to update it. This is 100% brightness and 40% brightness. You know, you can click on it, move it around, whatever it is you want to do. You can, of course, change the color temperature as well. Make it a little bit warmer, make it a little bit colder, whatever you like. And there are scenes that you can go ahead and scroll through. And if you do like this particular color, you just click on save and you save it as a new scene. So very simple to use. The next thing that I'd like to do is group it with the bulb next to it. So we're going to click on the plus, add device group, and we're going to select the lighting group. And we're going to do the Roku Bulb 1 along with the kitchen lamp and click on done. Oh, we got to name the group. Lights, because we're cool like that. And then we're going to click, oh, I got to turn this light bulb on as well. Okay, so there it's loaded. And if you want to change both of them at the same time, make sure you click on them. And now we can play around and select whatever color it is that we want. Make sure that they're at the same brightness as well. And you can see that the colors should be about the same, I'd say. Yeah, they look pretty good. Now that they're in sync. But see, for example, this one, obviously, this is much more neutral looking. This one is very yellow, almost red and orange. This is the colored Roku light. This is the standard white Roku light. And this could be a software thing, or a hardware thing, and I'm not sure what it is right now. It's just when you get into the warm zone that it doesn't look that great. That looks okay. That looks pretty similar, but what if we go really warm? And there you go. I mean, I don't know why that's the case exactly. Maybe the white lamp doesn't have the full color range that this does, so technically this one's more accurate than this one. But again, in this particular mode, in this particular group that I have, you'd think that they'd be reacting exactly the same way. If we go to the color side of things, obviously only one of them is going to be reacting, right? That makes sense. Which is good if they're in the same group. But here we are. I mean, that's just wrong. There's definitely something going on here. Now let me take the lampshades off so we can look at the bulbs themselves so you can get an idea of what we're talking about. Look how different that is. That looks already a little bit better. Yeah, but immediately now they look very similar. The only bit of information that I can provide really is the brightness on the Roku colored is 1100 lumens. It's 75 watt is the equivalent. And then over here on the white version, you've got 800 lumens and it's the 60 watt equivalent. On the side, it does talk about the color temperature, which appears to be slightly different. Looks like the Roku colored goes to 1800 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, while the white ones go from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Definitely recommend, you might want to play around with them to see which version of the white light you like. Obviously, if you just want colored light, this is your solution. But if you're looking for a white and want it to be really nice, play around with both of them to see which one fits your needs. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smack the like button, as well as let me know if you have any questions in that comment section below. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos all the time. Bye.